Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you two different items. The first thing, how to reverse negative statement. The second thing, how to compute a scale. So for this practice, we have a questions that are two items from a questionnaire, the school culture and the data practice. Item number 5 and 8 are the negative statement. So we want to go reverse them into positive statement. Then the second thing is we have 8 items in a questionnaire. So we combine all 8 items to make one scale, and we name it the school culture and data practice. So for this one, so let me go back to the data file that we have, or the questionnaire. Let me save that file. So when I pulled my SPSS file, so you can see it now. So in this data set, I call it educational races and statistics, the clean revised data file. So here are, if you look at the levels, we are going to look into first 8 items. The first one is my school requires analyzing student level data. It's positive. Teachers in my school have necessary skill. But number 5, I rarely examine, which is negative statement. And number 8, the analysis of data does not improve teaching and learning in my school. So number 5 and number 8 for this video, I'm going to reverse the data points. And if you look at the values, let's take a look at the first one. It has 1 through 5 strongly disagree, 1 and then 5 strongly agree. So in the case of negative statement 5 and number 8, we are going to reverse them. So 5 will be 1 and 1 will be 5. So 1 is going to change 5. So for this one, what we do is we go to the transform, just look at the first ribbon. So click transform, and then the next item is click recode into different variables. Recode into different variables. Click it, reset. So my goal is to reverse 2 items. Statement number 5, I rarely examine, and statement number 8. So I moved both items to other side. So if I click number 5, I have to rename it. So it's a reverse. Call it 05. That's a reverse one, 05. Just the name, you can give any name, 05. So it's already reverse. Now here the name, it will be also reverse 08. So item number 8 is revised. The other important thing is the values, the old and the new values. So click old and new values. So in this case, we have to put the change the 1 old value going to be 5. Click add. 2 will go 4. Click add. Now 3 will be 3. So put 3 old value, new value 3 because that's neutral one. So the next one 4. The old value 4 will go to 2. And now finally the 5 old value will be 1 in the new value. So that's it, and click continue. The good thing is once you revise, you change one of the other, then automatically the next one also will change in your SPSS. So click OK. So once you click that one, so you can go back and then take a look. Okay, here is SPSS output, and output will tell you that 2 items 5 and 8 are reversed order. So if I go back to my data points, and the item I changed are called reverse 05 and 08. And if I look at the data points, reverse 5, and it should be the other side here. Okay, reverse 5 is already there, and reverse 8. These are the 2 we are going to change. Okay, let me delete this item. Okay, here are two more confusing items, so I'm going to delete them for a while. Okay, so reverse 05, reverse 08 are the one we changed a minute ago. Okay, the next thing we want to do is make a scale. In order to make a scale, this is your data view. Okay, so we click transform again. This time we want to compute, we want to make a new scale. So click that one. And then, okay, let me reset. So there are two ways of doing this, but I will go the easiest one. So our target value is we want to make a scale. Scale, as I said earlier, that we want to develop a school culture and data practice. So I want to call it school culture and data practice. That's the name. And label, let me label it school culture and data practice. I'm typing it here. It's the numeric. Click OK. The easiest way is to look into the function group. In this group, you will find statistical. So in statistical, click this one and go with the mean. Okay. So double click it. When you double click, you will get the mean and then two question mark with a comma in between. So our goal is to take all 5 items, no 8 items, all 8 items of this questionnaire into this next box. But remember, we revised number 5 and number 8, 2 items, because those were negative statements. So I put my cursor here and just click, and then so it moves to the other side. And now move the cursor to the other side and delete the question mark. So your job is to move these items to the other side. And now put comma manually from your dashboard, keyboard. Now click number 3, comma, number 4, move there, comma, and number 5 is revised. So do not move the old item. Just put the new items all the way down here. New. Okay, number 5, click OK the other side. Number 6, go back again. Or other side, that's number 6. Number 7 is also original one. Now number 8 is also reversed. So take the reverse item to the box. So we put the mean score of all first 8 items. So this is what we are going to do for our. Once you put every 8 items and click OK. Now the SPSS file will tell you the output. Should tell you should get you a input command. Now if you go back to your data points again, the very last item, the scholarship, it has a name now. Okay, school culture and data practice. This is the one revised scale. So we reversed 2 negative statement into positive statement, and then one scale that was the combination of first 8 items. Now, if you go back to your, if you want to see what it looks like, you can run, descriptive statistics, frequencies, bar graph, and then you can examine the differences between the original item and the new item. I hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching the video.